Good morning. We've got Neil and Sean back here working on this gateway. They've already got one of the posts in over there. Just about to put the other one in. And then they'll be rebuilding this wall so that it's a nice usable area. And we'll actually be able to open and shut a gate. What a novelty. Meanwhile, Hida, Teddy Bear and Wren had come up to try and help them. So I've just let them into this top paddock up here because there's lots of tasty fresh grass coming through. So Hida had a night in the turnout with Teddy Bear. Renska kept Nero company in the stables overnight. While I've got Hoytzy in for a little tidy up, Jubbers has come over here. I'd like to say to keep his other buddy Nero company, but his priority is obviously haylage. So I've taken his little muzzle off so he can have some of that. You two can have a little play later. Hey? Hello, Nero. Hello. He's your gorgeous boy. Yeah. He's had his walk on the walker this morning. You're looking a little dishevelled, but we've got another wet, soggy day here. So I've got Neil here, who's working with Sean today and repairing this gateway that I've talked about. I've got the camera set on time lapse. You're going to be working here and go on, a little summary of what you're doing.
We're going to be building up the gate and then building the two wall ends on either side of the to the gate posts to make things stop proof. What we've had to do is this is a beech tree. This is a beech tree.
I'm not very good on my trees.
So I first thought it was a sycamore and thought, horrible sycamore.
Yeah.
But it might well be a beech because it's got the.
Oh, okay.
In which case it'd have a TP. You know, you want to keep it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So to avoid the tree, we dog-legged the wall basically. So we're going to build a dog-leg wall on that side. And up against the post on
So
that side.
another dog leg here. Yeah, so you're going to be able to watch this in the rest of the video on time lapse, and then when it's a day where it's not quite so windy and we've got slightly better weather, then you're quite happy to do a more detailed one. Yeah.
Show people how dry stone wall is built, maybe.
Yeah, because it is such an incredible talent. And you've done such amazing work around here already. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
Yeah.
We're back at the Alveston Music Festival and Bailey has been back here singing again. Grace is his amazing instructor. Bailey has done a beautiful, beautiful performance of Elton John's Electricity, which put him in first place in that particular competition. And you want to say?
Trophy. Yay. Also, thank you. It's alright. It's all you. Show you
That is mine. You have helped me so much. I would never be here without you.
So well done
joy
to
to work
Bailey
with.
and well done to Grace. just come back from the festival with Bailey, and as you can see, Neil and Sean haven't hung around, and it's looking amazing. And you've got Bear there helping. Hida's over there and Ren, but he does like to supervise, don't you, Teddy?
Well,
And the rain keeps coming. Poor Jodie had a bit of vehicle trouble because she was due to be bringing Iceman with the trailer. Because both hers and Phil's trucks had a few problems we've come across in the trusty horse box. And poor Jodie is getting rather wet there on Iceman. Out of the rain. Are you wet enough?
Yeah, actually, I'm actually not too bad underneath.
Yeah, but look at you, you still look stylish even with that.
I'm dry under the hat and the coat, so
That's alright then.